In today's video, let me quickly show you how to fix the Spotify playlist collaboration problem. If you're not being able to invite collaborators or the other person is not being able to add in songs, then what you can simply do is generate a new link. Sometimes older links expire, so what you can do is head back to a particular playlist, tap on the three dotted line, scroll down and then tap on the invite collaborators option and then generate a new link by tapping on the copy link option. Now, if this first step does not solve the issue, what might also be the issue is that the other person is using the web version of Spotify. Sometimes using web versions also may create some sort of issues, so make sure that you are using the mobile app or the desktop application to fix this issue. But however, if you're still having issues, what you can simply do is remove the collaborator and then add them back. So for example, a person is currently added into this playlist. What you can do is simply remove them and then make them rejoin. By doing these steps alone, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if you're still having issues, the last thing that you can try out is try to create a new playlist and then again add in collaborators that way. This ensures that the new playlist will be working and you should be able to add in new collaborators as you go on. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm gonna see you in the next video.